Alright, now I think the winds are blowing in the opposite direction. I don't know. I think they're blowing in a bunch of different directions. Yeah, another thing, the severe thunderstorm warning that was issued at 9:41 a.m. I really don't think was valid because at this point because I didn't really get I'm sure if they were strong enough, that trash can there would have blown over. And it did not. So, yeah. I don't know if that a severe thunderstorm warning was reasonable or not. And it might not have been worth recording. It might have just been a line of showers producing gusty winds. But I don't really think they were damaging like 60 miles an hour. So I think that's going to be for this video, or this whole sequence of videos. So I'm going to go now, because it's cold out here.